don't have the knowledge about the past, rich culture, heritage of India are just like the trees without roots. We all are in the transformational era of artificial intelligence. So here we are with the team Tattva, myself Ananya Mishra, and I'm the team leader from branch Computer Science and Business System, third year. You all must be thinking why we name our team as Tattva. So Tattva in Hindi, Panchtatva, means the five elements, a combination of five elements or Tattva to form the universe. So here we are with six types of people with their different capabilities, different knowledge, and form a group as Tattva. We all are here with the team Tattva for combining the knowledge of history and named it as Tattva. So, Tattva aims to create a comprehensive digital platform that consolidates and presents the rich heritage, history, and culture of India. You all must be thinking what is unique in this. So, uniqueness is multilingual accessibility, which means that it is available, the history is available in English, Hindi, in many regional languages also. But have you ever seen the history available in Sanskrit, which is a main language? We want that the history should be in Sanskrit language or any other regional languages. Virtual 360-degree view and 3D map section. When someone hovers over the map of any map or any point of interest they want, they can hover over it and they can get the 360 tour about it. And Sanskrit section, as I told about it, and research section. Geographical indications, which means the person want to know about the geographical indications of many other places, they can hover over it and get about it. So basically, we have added one more thing, Ludo and snake and ladder with history set. For example, in Ramayana, there are 5 types of cards. So in Ludo also we can do this. We have explained it that. And again, that modern history, that is the most important thing of it. We have collaborated with all the history parts of the website and make the history part of the modern life. And geographical indications as we have the
जो प्रोजेक्ट कैसे यूआईएक्स काम करेगा, उसके बाद यूआईएक्स पे हम काम करेंगे, कैसा दिखने वाला है फ्रंट एंड इंटरफेस और क्या उसमें फीचर्स रहेंगे, कहाँ कहाँ पे क्या क्या बटन्स यूज होंगे.
Hello everyone, myself Ananya Mishra and I am the team leader of the team Panchtatva. So you all must be thinking why we named our team as Panchtatva. We all are here with six different people with six different knowledge capabilities, power and combine the knowledge of all of us and form the Panchtatva. As the universe is formed of Jal, Vayu, Akash, Agni, Prithvi, the five elements, the five tattvas of the universe, in the same way we have combined all the information from different websites, different web backgrounds, and with the unique value propositions, combined it all together and in our website formed it all together and known as Panchatattva. So, as we all know, that the trees without the roots are nothing. In the same way, person without the knowledge of rich Indian history, heritage, culture are in the same way they are nothing. So, coming on to the next slide. So these are some of the technical approaches of Panchatattva, predictive AI model, game, language translation, 3D map, and chat assistant. We are going to make a web-based application for the unique value prepositions as they are said. So in this web application, the key technical features will be AIML models for the following. A model that finds a research topic on which less research or no research work is done basically in the previous time based on the data we feed that AI model which links the past with the present things. In this model, we will make parallelism and present this to the user so that they can understand why it is important to have knowledge of our history, of our own Indian history. In this model, we will also add future prediction feature which will predict the trends of the present as well as the future. Even the language translation feature in which we will present a website in the regional languages as well. Educational games based on the Vedic culture is also being made. This will present an interactive feature for the users. 3D map feature and 360-degree virtual tour. This makes a website visually appearing and appealing and easy to understand some of the complex maps of the Indian history and the ancient history. A chat assistant which will help the users to ask multiple questions and get instant answers and clear their doubts. Some of the technical approaches are given. In the website, many technologies and frameworks are used for making the front end of the website. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are used for the structure and styling. React.js is used to create a dynamic user interface. We will use WebRTC for rendering animations and real-time chat assistant, and the other additional websites and technologies are given. This is the first home page. On the left side it is given. It is the home page which mentions home, timeline, dynasty, Sanskrit corner, maps, research corner, and games. 5 to 6 types of languages are given, chat assistant, and the login option. This is a technical, this is all about a technical approach. And coming on to the next slide, this is about the feasibility and viability of Panchatattva. So use of AI, 3D maps and virtual tour ensures technical feasibility. Multilingual support enhances accessibility across diverse users. Incorporates existing technologies for search filtering and chat assisting. These are the feasibilities and viabilities that like broad target audience includes students, researchers and history enthusiasts. Some of the potential challenges are like scalable architecture and cloud solution. Like as said, as mentioned, that we have a large amount of data and we need to manage the large amount of data and ensure the smooth performance. So for that, scalable architecture and cloud solution, and also also personalized content, regular update based on customer feedback, and so how the people gets attracted about the gamification theory. As we have mentioned in our website, it has gamification theory, and on the sixth slide it is also there. These are some of the potential challenges and this is how we will overcome it. Moving on to the next slide. So basically, Panchatattva has two types of audience. Number one, users, and number two, researchers. Users include students, viewers, and scholars, and the number second is researchers. So there are some impact and benefits. Impacts is like a cultural awareness. We need to create a cultural awareness among the people, among the student, viewers, and scholars, so that they can know about the history, about the knowledge, get knowledge about the Indian history, culture, and heritage. And basically, personalized learning. They can personally learn about all the content of the history because we need to be strong in our Indian culture. And for the impact on researchers, they can search, they can research on the given topics on the interdisciplinary research, collaborative opportunities, and data-driven insights. In the same way, benefits. Gamified learning is the major UVP and multilingual support. Benefits for researchers, analytic tools, rich resource database, and global perspective. We have social impact, economic impact, and environmental impact. Basically, for the users, it is affordable access because we are not charging anything for researching, for working on it, for reading the things with resources we are given. And so it will also develop the skill of the people and cultural awareness and inclusive learning. And these are all the impacts and benefits the Panchatattva gives. Coming on to the next slide, as I have already mentioned that the history website and all the articles are already available on the websites, different types of websites, but we have the Panchatattva is available with the different unique value prepositions. So here we have mentioned some of the references and links, so you all can search it, what is available and what is not available. And it can be seen that we have some of the unique things like in the left side, history of every step of Ludo is given. Imagine that a Ludo game where each step on the board represents a significant part of the Ramayana, which are the Kands, Balekand, Ayodhya Kand, Aranyakand, Kishkindakand, Sundarkand, from the starting with the Balekand to the end, Sundarkand. Ayodhya's Kand, where they experience Lord Ram's exile and the pivotal moments of the lead to the departure from Ayodhya. This game is a gamification of the all the Kands of the Ramayana, and there are some of the rules given on this. Even in the right side, if you can see the stone from the Stone Age to the modern era, all types of detailed version is given. The Iron Age, about the Iron Age, information about every ages, and on the Sanskrit corner reading section is given. And so in this case we have limitations, other types of limitations, that cultural and historical information is scattered with no modern technology integration, lack of gamification, and regional languages not, and GIS are not available. So we are there to resolve all these issues. Basically, if we know that India is not just a geography or history, it is not only a nation, a country, a mere piece of land. It is something more. It is a metaphor, poetry, something invisible but tangible. So, thank you so much. This is all about Panchatattva.